God bless you everyone. Today is painting day. So let's start with this. The first one is ready. Let's continue with the second one. Alright, so all the prep work is done. Right now I'm in the process of taping everything that I don't want to get painted. Everything is right here, what I'm going to be painting. And let's start taping. Alright, so the things that I don't want to get painted got tape already, and let's start priming. The first coat of primer is done. I'm trying to do as fast as possible, but it's a little windy and the spray is going all over the place, so I'm just trying to do my best to don't have any runs. Right now I have all this prime and all of them, I believe they come out very nice. The one I'm concerned, maybe this one, the old cash can, because that one was the smoothest. That's the one that I spend most of the time sanding, because I want that one to come looking amazing. But these guys are a little rough because obviously they are cast, so priming them is not as hard, but hope I don't get any runs on that one. Alright, so I just finished the second coat. I didn't record because it's getting late. Gonna continue working little by little, and I show you tomorrow. So here we have the hot side of the turbo. Everything was painted, it's dry. I did 2 coats. Still getting some scuff marks. I might retouch it. So we got that one ready. Turbo manifold, yeah, also coated. Came up very nice. As you guys can see, need to touch up right here. But besides that, came up looking very nice. I have the old cash can over here, and this one is drying right now because I have to do the back bar, and here is the downpipe. So this one is ready, and here is the heat shield. So this is the inner part is drying right now. This one should be good. So I just got out of work. Last night I top coat all the parts. Right now is Right now it's 7:05, so let's get it clear on.
Six and a half hours later.
So it is super late right now. They almost dry, and if you ask me, I think they came up very good. Oh, this one came out so nice. The other one, which is over here, still drying, and this one came out very nice too. I had to redo that one because I don't know how it came messed up a little bit, but I'm loving it.
Day 3.
So it's a new day. I left everything drying last night, and this is the final product. Here is the final product. So I put everything together, how everything should look, and there you guys have it. We here have the oil catch cam. Came out super nice. All the tape is removed, everything's all set. Over here we have the heat shield, which is a high heat silver metallic. Came out very nice. Have a run right there. That was the only one that I had with a clear, but besides that, everything came out very nice. There is the manifold, how it came out. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. We have all those companies painted, and if you ask me, I think they look super good. Stay tuned for the next episode, which most likely we're gonna have our hybrid turbo ready, or the car might be on. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you all.